Welcome! Today we will be unboxing the HTVRONT A300 Auto Head Heat Press.
Let's open the box together and see what's inside. First up, a user guide envelope and a pair of heat-resistant gloves. In the envelope, you will find a quick start guide, a brand card, and a warranty card. This will help you get to know your machine quickly, so make sure to check them out. Next, we have the machine itself. Its power cord is on the back of the machine. And finally, a small head platen. So these are what you will find inside the box. Now, let's quickly try using this machine. First and foremost, always wear heat-resistant gloves during operation to prevent burns. Now, power on the machine. Set the temperature and time, or select a preset mode, A or B. For convenience, Mode A defaults for heat transfer vinyl, Mode B defaults for embroidered patches. In this video, we will go with Mode A. Move the heat plate backward until it stops. Place and fix your design on the hat. Then, press down the hat stretcher to secure the hat on the hat platen. Once the set temperature is reached, the R button will turn green. Then, move the heat plate directly over the design to cover the hat. Tap the R button to lift the hat platen automatically. The countdown begins, and when it ends, the platen lowers while the device beeps 3 times. Move the heat plate back to its rear position until it stops. Remove the hat and reset the hat stretcher to its original position. With just a single press, a stylish hat is done. If you need to make a smaller hat, you can switch the small hat platen. Just turn off the power first and wait for the heat plate to cool down. Then, move the heat plate toward the back of the machine. Simply remove and snap into place. You can swap the hat platen in just a few seconds.
That's all for today's unboxing. So are you ready to get started?